enter to win this Jeep. Click the link in the description below. Make sure you subscribe to the Quadratec YouTube channel. Hey, Rob here for Quadratec. Today we're taking a look at the Magnaflow Overland Series Performance Axleback Exhaust for the 2018 and newer Jeep Wrangler JL, equipped with that 2-liter 4-cylinder engine or the 3.6-liter V6 engine options. This performance axleback exhaust is packed with some really unique features that make it perfectly suited for your Overland style built Jeep, or maybe just your daily driver, one that you're going to be spending more time in the driver's seat, cruising down the highways, winding down those country roads, or maybe headed off the pavement to crawl down some trails. This exhaust is proudly designed and manufactured right here in the USA, constructed from mandrel-bent stainless steel tubing, which means it's going to be able to stand up to the elements and the harsh environment living under the back of your Wrangler. It is a performance axleback exhaust, which means your installation is going to be really easy. Once you have the factory axleback exhaust removed from your Jeep, we're going to go ahead and transfer over those 2 exhaust hangers to the new system here. Start by sliding one of the clamps over the inlet pipe, and then we can slip it up into place, first re-securing those 2 hangers, and finally tightening down that clamp. That's really all it takes to get your new performance axleback exhaust from Magnaflow installed in your Jeep. Now, if we take a look at this design, we'll see a 18-inch straight through free-flowing muffler here featuring Magnaflow's no drone technology. It uses passive quarter wave sound deadening technology to help prevent any annoying drone when you're cruising down the highway. Now, because this is designed as an Overland Series exhaust, you're not going to find any over-the-top, big, polished exhaust tips. Instead, we've got a clean and simple, high-tucked exhaust exit there that's going to be kept out of the way of any potential damage when you're crawling over those obstacles out on the trail. Now, if you're wondering why I've got this extra pipe here on the table when I mentioned it's a simple axleback style exhaust, well, that's because this system is completely user tunable. So you can fine tune just how this exhaust sounds on your specific Jeep with these 3 included pipes. You'll notice we have an additional outlet port here on the outlet side of the muffler. If we start by simply installing the included cap, well, that's going to give us the most aggressive and the loudest exhaust note from the system. If you want to tone that back just a bit, we can go ahead and install the included J pipe along with the cap. And now this added length of exhaust pipe here is going to quiet down the system just a bit for you. Finally, if you want the quietest setup, maybe you've got a long trip planned where you're going to be spending a lot of time in the Jeep and you want a nice quiet system, go ahead and add on that resonator to the J pipe for the most toned down and tame sounding exhaust, while still giving you that added horsepower and torque with a nice aggressive subtle exhaust note. Of course, because you can customize this setup, you can always change it around and switch it back. If you want to go to something a little more aggressive, simply uninstall those clamps and you can reinstall that cap now for the most aggressive sound. Now, make sure you stay tuned to the end of this video. I've got 3 different examples for you with the cap, the J pipe and cap, and the J pipe and the resonator, so you can hear the difference in how this exhaust sounds. If you want to get more information or to purchase a Magnaflow Overland Series Performance Axleback Exhaust for your Wrangler, you can click that info button, head over to quadratec.com. Of course, if you have any comments or questions about the system or how to get it installed, you can always leave this for me down in the comment section below, or contact us directly at any of the options on the screen. And as always, if you haven't already and you like these videos, do me a huge favor, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as the notification icon so be sure to catch all of our latest videos. Till next time, I'm Rob. I'll see you out on the trail.